Hi, today I'm going to prune the tomato plants. As you can see, this is all quite bushy now. The leaves have become quite thick, and this will only increase the chances of diseases and stop air going in. I need to remove the lower leaves and then take what we call the suckers, which is this one. This is so that the plant energy concentrate more on the leaves. So what we're looking to remove are these leaves, the lower leaves. You can remove all the leaves till you get to the fruits, really, or the first flowers. In this plant, this has really gotten thick here, and you can see the wire that I've attached next to the plant. So what I'm going to do is remove these leaves, most importantly these one. As you can see, the one that comes out in the middle of the main stem and the branch, that's what we call a sucker. What these do, they take the energy away from the plant. So instead of focusing the energy in producing fruit, these will take all the energies, just grow. So and also, if we let this grow, the plant will become larger and larger and it will get out of control. If we want it to grow vertically, we need to clear all these. So what I'm going to do is cut these, and we'll just pinch these suckers out with finger. And there's one more here, this one as well. There's one here. So in the same plant, I've removed 3 suckers already. There's one big one here. So this is the main plant. This one here is the sucker. So this is not needed. What it will do, it will just take all the energy from the plant. So we can take this off. So this is how it looks. And it grows like in the armpit between the main plant and the leaf. I think what I'll do is remove this one as well, because it's just interfering with the next plant there. There we are. So I remove all these just from one plant. So now I'm just going to attach plant to the string. Already this is so much better than what it was earlier. So there you go. We'll attach it here. So we won't make it too tight. There you go. So I've attached this just to keep the plant nearer to the fruit, and it will just help it support when the fruits come. As you can see, it's already started flowering. This clip I've used to attach is adjustable, so I can adjust it anytime. This is how the first one turned out after pruning. It's quite clean. As you can see, the lower section is quite clean, and I removed about 4 suckers from it, so there's plenty of air. So this is what I'm going to do for the rest of them. So this is after I've pruned the plants. I've removed all the leaves that wasn't necessary, and it's now got plenty of space, and I've attached them all to the string. This, there you go. Right guys, there you go. I've done the pruning. As you can see, you can actually see the ground now, and I've attached the plant to the rope next to it. It's much easier now to water without getting the leaves wet too much, and also there's plenty of air going in through the plant. So that's the pruning done for the day.